Hello and good morning from Kirshner FarmStead. I'm Hunter, and today we are making M&M cookies with mini chocolate chips. So let's get started. First, we are going to add 2 sticks of butter. If you don't know, 2 sticks of butter is 1 cup, so you can add 1 cup of butter. And we are using the creaming method, which means we are adding the butter and the sugar and mixing that until they're creamed. Now we're adding the sugar. Add the brown sugar. There we go. Alright, now we are going to wait for the sugar and the butter to cream fully. So you want to watch the butter and the sugar, because if you overmix it, then there will be air in the butter, and when you cook the cookies or bake the cookies, they will become flat. Now we are going to add in our 2 eggs into the bowl and mix it. So now we are going to want to scrape off our bowl for any of the excess that we missed, or the mixer missed. So just scrape down the sides of your bowl and get anything that the mixer missed. Now we're just going to stir it for a little bit longer. Get all that extra that we just scraped off, mixed in, incorporated. Alright. Now we're going to add the vanilla in there. So we have a big bowl of flour here. We are going to add our baking soda. And this is our baking powder and salt and salt. Alright. And we'll whisk them together. We are going to pour in our flour slowly. So we are going to switch the mixer on and off from 1 so that the flour doesn't go everywhere. So on, off, on, off.
Hi.
Now keep doing this until the mixer has mixed the flour enough that it's okay. So now we are going to add the mini chocolate chips and the M&Ms.
Hi. Hi.
You don't want to mix it for too long, or else you'll break your M&Ms. So mix it for just long enough that it gets nice and incorporated into it. So now we are going to scoop the cookies. And this is so that they can go in the fridge to cool while the oven is preheating. So they do not need to be a length apart yet. Okay, so I want to try this new thing. In every video, I am going to ask you to comment something for the theme of the video. And this video, I want you to comment M&M, and we are going to heart everybody who comments M&M on this video. Hi, you can see my face again. So we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and put these in the fridge while the oven is preheating. So let's do that. Okay, so we just pulled our cookies out of the fridge, and now that the oven is preheated, we are going to put them on the pan. We want to space them 2 inches apart, so let's get started. Okay. Okay, so we have all the cookies we can fit on this pan. We still have a couple left on the pan that we pulled out of the fridge. We are going to put that back in the fridge so that they don't get soft. Okay, we are putting the cookies in the oven. Be careful to not burn yourself. And we are going to set the timer for 12 minutes. There we go. Okay, so we are pulling the cookies out of the oven. Okay, we're just gonna let them sit for just a minute, and then we'll put them on the drying rack. Okay, so we've let the cookies sit for about a minute so that they don't fall apart when we take them off the pan. So let's take them off the pan. So we just finished baking our last batch of cookies, and I want to say thank you to Kathleen for suggesting that we do more cookie videos. And I please like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends and family, and comment M&M. And I'll see you later. Bye.